DeWalt. This is the new 850 atomic impact driver against the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 3. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. We're just going to do a few tests here with these two tools. We're going to run these on speed 3, both of these, so speed 3. And this one, speed 3. Alright, so we do have a 5 amp hour battery. It's full. This one we got a 5 amp hour battery. It's full. Alright. This is half an inch drill bit. And this is a quick insert collet. So we're just going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Easy. Alright, we got a 1 inch spade bit. We're going to do a hole right here. Alright, we got the Milwaukee. 1, 2, 3, go. So this is the upgraded version of the Gen 3 with the 2 ball bearings in the insert of the collet. So just keep that in mind. Alright, next thing we have is we got a 1.5 spade bit. So this is pretty tough on these little guys, but they should be able to do it. Alright, we're going to do Milwaukee next. Right there, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, what happened is it hit this part. It's a really tough test on this little guy. We got these lags. This is a 4 inch by half an inch lag. It should go right through this. This is a 4 inch piece of wood. We got a 3/4 inch socket. One, two, three, go. Alright, the wood split. Alright, we got the Milwaukee. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so there's that. Let's take this off. Temperature test, 89, 86, 91, 94, 98, 110, 125, 133, 134, 128, 135, 36 is the hottest. Alright, temperature test, 126, or it's temperature test, 82, 86, 89, 98, 99, 94, 95. So it's pretty cool. 97, 98, 103. So 103 is the hottest. 104. It's fairly new to the field, but We've seen DeWalt. DeWalt's very reliable. Really like the compactness of this tool. The power to compact. I would say I personally would keep both of these. These are both great tools, especially when it's compact. Alright, that's it for today. Let me know down in the comment section if you would like to see this tool against another one or any of these two tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.